My name is Arjun and I'm the CEO of Quantum. We often speak about the Qavach being an intelligence system. We speak about it being automated. And importantly, we speak about it being integrated. I often go so far as to say that if you enter any information a second time, I will give you back $1. Or if you're unable to navigate from any part of the system to another in 5 seconds, I'll give you another $1. Now, this is not a marketing gimmick. It is a design fundamental that has been learned through personal experience. Years and years managing large shipping lines and regions where all of these factors come to haunt you if the data is not available. Now, we have heard and we continue to hear how advanced softwares fail the user just by not focusing on these factors alone. The Qavach is built as a composite unit with each module and feature speaking to one another. At the base of it all was a strong workflow and a data engine that ensured seamless real-time information flow from upstream to downstream, documents, reports, dashboards. It was all real-time. A part of this design you see in the Qavach logbook or track and trace or workflows or alerts and notifications all the way across the product. And you see it in a downstream module like inspection or root cause analysis or action management and the automation population of data as soon as the My Qavach app reports it. Equally powerful are the integrated alerts, notifications, keeping all stakeholders in the loop. Now, the system is also driven by a very strong exception management culture. The goal is to follow up on all pending matters and escalate them as necessary and get them done within the time parameters and schedules that you set. The TAT or turnaround time is of critical importance. It's important to us, it's important to you, it's important to the process, especially when a serious issue needs to be investigated and actioned. But what can we do better or improve? I believe there is a great deal of further scope to automate and add more intelligence. Personally, I'm a very strong proponent of continuous analysis of the product and seeing where processes can be improved and keystrokes eliminated. As an example, why can we not allow the system to do what the HSE team does on its own? Just a little bit of coaching. Can we do this by writing code, or do we have to go all the way to the other side and get AI and ML coming over here? Why can't we recognize what someone does and build patterns of their work and reporting to predict the information? Why can't we automate the frequency of push notification depending upon the criticality and seriousness of events? Yes, we can, and we will. And we're committed to being the best HSE software for container terminals, and that doesn't come easy. That comes with continuous hard work, analysis, improvement, addition, and your collaboration and cooperation. Today, I believe the Qavach has much more automation, integration, intelligence than most competing systems, even the top of the line guys. But right now, we want you on board as a partner, and we want to collaborate and work with you on all of these elements to make safety at your terminal zero incident. My name is Arjun, and I'm the CEO of Quantum. See you next week.